Are you ready to fuel your mornings with the best? In this video, we're serving up the top 12 healthiest breakfast food ideas that you should definitely be eating. So let's dive right in. This trendy dish is not just delicious, it's packed with nutrients. This is a protein-packed parfait that's high in calcium and probiotics. In a jar or bowl, combine 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, a dash of nutmeg, and your choice of milk or milk alternative. Let it soak overnight in the refrigerator. In the morning, top it with sliced almonds, chia seeds, and maple syrup. The complex carbohydrates in oats provide sustained energy, while fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels. These savory pancakes are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup chickpea flour, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of cumin and coriander, chopped green chilies, and water to form a batter. 8. This dish is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. In a jar or bowl, combine 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1/2 cup milk or milk alternative, a dash of vanilla extract, and a sweetener of your choice. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight. These fluffy pancakes are a healthier take on a classic breakfast treat. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a dash of cinnamon and nutmeg. Remember, a healthy breakfast sets the tone for a nourishing day. So choose wisely and fuel your body with the best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And now I'd love to hear from you. What is your go-to healthy breakfast? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy feasting and take care. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of milk or milk alternative until the batter is just combined. Cook the pancakes on a lightly greased griddle over medium heat. Serve with maple syrup and a dollop of Greek yogurt. The fiber in pumpkin supports digestive health, while the protein in Greek yogurt helps keep you full. Top it with fresh berries and chopped nuts before serving. These waffles offer a delightful balance of sweet and savory flavors. In a blender, combine 1 ripe avocado, 1/2 cup milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and a dash of salt. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and whisk until just combined. Cook the waffle batter in a preheated waffle iron. Top with fresh applesauce and a drizzle of honey. The healthy fats in avocados support heart health, while the antioxidants in apples help protect against oxidative stress. The fiber in chia seeds helps lower cholesterol levels, while omega-3 salts support brain function. Peel and dice a sweet potato, then fry it with olive oil, diced onions, bell peppers, and spices like paprika and cumin. Top it with a fried egg or crumbled tofu for added protein. The vitamin A in sweet potato supports eye health, while antioxidants help protect against cellular damage. Heat a pan, pour a ladleful of batter, and cook until bubbles start to form. Flip and cook the other side. Serve with salsa, avocado, or chutney. These chickpea pancakes are not only nutritious, but also gluten-free and perfect for those with dietary restrictions. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of mixed berries, and a drizzle of honey. In a pot, salt chopped onions, carrots, and celery until softened. Add 1 cup of lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, bay leaf, and thyme. Bring to a boil, then simmer until the lentils are tender. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese with 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks. Drizzle some honey and sprinkle chopped walnuts on top. The protein in cottage cheese helps with weight management, while vitamins and minerals in pineapple support immune function. Season with salt and pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice. The protein and fiber in lentils help control blood sugar levels and promote fullness. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. The protein in Greek yogurt helps with muscle recovery, while the antioxidants in berries support brain health and reduce inflammation. To make this, Grab a whole grain bread, mash half an avocado, spread it on the bread, and then add a boiled or poached egg on top. Sprinkle some flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper and enjoy. The healthy fats in the avocado support heart health, fiber aids digestion, and protein from the egg helps you feel full and satisfied. Starting with number 1, avocado toast with egg. Next up at number 2 is Greek yogurt with berries. Now let's move on to number 3, overnight oats. These are a fantastic make-ahead breakfast option. Rinse 1/2 cup quinoa, then cook it according to package directions. Once cooked, fluff it up with a fork and mix in chopped nuts, dried fruit, and a touch of brown sugar. Quinoa is rich in amino acids and minerals like magnesium and iron, making it a great choice for a nutrient-dense breakfast. At number 4, we have breakfast quinoa. This is a gluten-free and high-protein alternative to oatmeal. 5. These are a fantastic way to pack a ton of fruits and veggies into your morning routine. Blend 1 cup of frozen fruit like bananas and berries, 1 cup of leafy greens such as spinach, a spoonful of peanut butter, and your choice of milk or milk alternative until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with granola, fresh fruit, and a drizzle of honey. Smoothie bowls are not only visually appealing, but they're also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Next, let's talk about smoothie bowls at number. Moving on to number 6, we have chickpea flour or bezenchilla. Next up at number 7 is lentil soup. This is a hearty and filling soup that's loaded with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Now let's talk about sweet potato hash at number 9, we have chia seed pudding. This is a fantastic make-ahead breakfast option that's high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Next, let's discuss cottage cheese with pineapple at number 10. This combination is a delightful blend of protein and tropical sweetness. Now let's move on to number 11, pumpkin spice pancakes. Finally, we have number 12, apple cinnamon waffles. And there you have it, folks. The top 12 healthiest breakfast food ideas that you should definitely be eating in the morning.